This section has very easy phrases to learn, because the words are very similar to things we've already learned. Because, for example, here you have quiero, which means I want, and to say you want, you just change that word. It looks very similar. It's quieres. Make sure you don't mix up the two, though. And the others follow the same pattern. Tengo que means I want, and in this section we learn tienes que, which means you want. Puedo means I can, and puedes means you can. Prefiero means I prefer, while prefieres means you prefer. Like I said, the phrases in this section will be very easy, but they are very important, so don't overlook them. Let's do some statements. Once again, if you have a difficult time keeping up with my speed to repeat the words I say, please just pause it and then go back and listen to me and pause it again. Not a big deal, and that's in fact what I would tell everybody to do, because it's important to learn how to say them right. So, let's review. Prefieres aprender español, pero también es importante aprender inglés. This means you prefer to learn Spanish, but also it is important to learn English. Puedes comer 10 tacos y no es posible compartir. This means you can eat 10 tacos and it is not possible to share. ¿Quieres leer conmigo hoy? This means you want to read with me today. Tienes que escribir la carta a Juan. This means you want to write the letter to Juan. Here are some questions. ¿Prefieres aprender español o inglés? Which means, do you prefer to learn Spanish or English? ¿Quieres escucharme? Means, do you want to listen to me? Here are some negatives. Please repeat. No quieres practicar conmigo. This means you don't want to practice with me. No puedes estudiar aquí. This means you can't study here. No tienes que hablar español. This means you don't have to speak Spanish. And there are two ways to use this one. No prefieres hablar inglés conmigo means you don't prefer to speak English with me. But when you say prefieres no hablar inglés conmigo, it means you prefer not to speak English with me.